Welcome to the EinScan Libre tutorial. In this video, I will guide you through the calibration process for the EinScan Libre. So let's get started. Calibration is essential to ensure optimal scanning accuracy and data quality. Factors like shipping can affect the accuracy and the scanning performance, so it is best to calibrate before your first use. If you notice a drop in accuracy or frequent scanning errors or tracking loss issues, we also recommend to perform a calibration first. To ensure consistent scanning performance, we recommend calibrating your scanner at least every 14 days. First up, ensure there are no other markers around the calibration environment and avoid calibrating on a high reflective floor. After taking out the calibration boards and scale bar, place them on a flat surface in the sequence indicated in the diagram below. Now it's ready. Click the calibration button to start calibration. During the process, slowly move the scanner following the 3D guide until it aligns with the target position. Complete all steps until the system confirms successful. After calibration, please store the calibration board properly. I hope this video has been helpful. If you encounter any scanning issues, please consider recalibrating. Thanks for watching.